Welcome back. Village Group of Goa wants documentary evidence to the people supporting Chief Town Planners' claim that 174 panchayats have accepted the notified regional plan 2021. The members of the group have also demanded to show the rectifications made in the regional plan, which was kept in abeyance by former Chief Minister of the state, Manohar Parrikar.
सरकार घडवून हाडले तेन्ना मॅनिफेस्टोचेर सांगिल्ले आरपी स्क्रॅप करतले म्हणून त्यानंतर आम्ही गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे बैठक घेतली तेन्ना सांगिल्ले एबियन्स दवरतले म्हणून आता एबियन्सान दवरिल्लो प्लॅन अकस्मात 174 पंचायतीक मान्य आसा हे कशें घडूं येता हाजेर आमकां पुरावो जाय. The Chief Town Planner needs to provide documentary evidence to the people objecting to the regional plan and supporting their claim that 174 panchayats have accepted the notified regional plan. Notified regional plan दुरुस्ती करचे खातीर मुख्यमंत्र्यान ते अभियानान दवरिल्ले ती कितें दुरुस्ती केल्या आनी कितें नोटिफाय जाला हे आमकां सिद्ध आनी हाजो पुरावो आमकां मोकळेपणान पब्लीक डोमेनान जाय. We want the whole public of Goa to know this.
The members are annoyed on the Chief Town Planner as Puturaj.
3 वर्सां जाली हो प्लॅन एबियन्सान आसा आनी आतां पर्रीकार दिल्ली केला आनी आतां चीफ टाउन प्लॅनर पुतुराजूक सांगता पुतुराजू आमच्या डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टराक आनी टाउन प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टराक सांगता की 174 पंचायतान हो प्लॅन एप्रूव केला आनी फकत 15 विलेजींनी ऑब्जेक्ट केला. आता ह्या पुतुराजूचेर आमच्या कसो विश्वास करूंक जाता. What is the hurry? You can always send the finalized notified regional plans to respective villages, get them approved through the Gram Sabhas and then notify.
Savio Dice for Prudent.
Villiers has created a new world for the fastest century. The sensational South African batsman hit a century of just 31 balls against West Indies in a one-day international match on Sunday. Villiers went on to score 149 runs off 44 balls and played a major role in South Africa's big win over West Indies. De Villiers displayed fantastic form as he broke the record of New Zealand batsman Corey Anderson, who had taken 36 balls to reach the century last year.
That signalled his intentions right from ball one. Over the top of mid-off, and that's one bounce boundary. Short boundary, cleared that by plenty. 6 runs. Again, over the top of mid-off. It's gone again, improvisation for 6 more. Full toss, hammered for 6 more. Full toss, slam that for 6. That's a big one. Last ball, slap that away over the top of covers. And he's gone for 6 more. Oh no, I can't believe that.
On the ground, Russell comes around. Goes for it, gets 6. Goes straight. Goes down the ground and gets 4. Oh, what a shot. How many times today? Another 6. The world record now belongs to A.B. de Villiers. Down the ground, Russell comes around. Russell can't get there. Oh, magnificent. It's gone high again. And Suleiman Ben. That's going to go for 6 as well. He's equal it. Straight to deep extra cover and taken.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.